Hey everyone, and welcome back to WordPress Beginner's Guide. Today, we're diving into the world of plugins, those super cool tools that add functionality and features to your WordPress website. There are tons of plugins out there, so it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But fear not. Today, we're going to explore 5 essential plugins that every WordPress website should have. First up, we have the mighty All-in-One SEO. This plugin is kind of like your website's personal SEO coach. It helps you optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for people to find your website. With All-in-One SEO, you can write better titles and descriptions, improve your content readability, and even track your keywords. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to get more organic traffic to their website. To get started, go to Plugins, add New Plugin, search for All-in-One SEO, download, then activate it. Refresh the page, and you will be greeted by the setup wizard. The free version offers plenty of customizations and features. For example, you can change your site type, title data, and description. Add contact information and logo to be displayed on Google Search, social media links, custom share image, and much more. Additionally, this plugin lets you preview how your site looks like in search results, add sitemap, and opt in for email notification. And we are done. All-in-One SEO is now configured and will help you improve your site ranking. An honorable mention to Rank Math SEO. It's also super cool, and the free version gets the job done perfectly. Next, let's talk about website migration and backup. Because website crashes happen, and you don't want to lose all your hard work. All-in-One WP migration is a lifesaver when it comes to backing up and transferring your website. It's easy to use. This plugin is designed to be user-friendly, even for those with no technical experience. Migrating your WordPress website involves just a few clicks. It has an all-inclusive migration. It exports everything you need, including your database, media files, plugins, and themes into a single file. This makes the migration process smooth and ensures you don't miss anything important. The plugin offers various ways to export your website data. You can save it as a local file, upload it to cloud storage like Dropbox, or even export it directly to another server using FTP. Besides migration, you can also use this plugin to restore backups of your site. This can be helpful if you ever need to roll back to a previous version of your site. Additionally, a paid Pro version offers even larger file size limits. Lastly, it is widely used and trusted. With over 4 million active installations, All-in-One WP migration is a popular and reliable solution for WordPress website migration. Now let's talk about speed. Website speed is crucial for a good user experience. People don't want to wait around for a slow website to load. That's where WP Rocket comes in. This plugin helps you optimize your website's performance, making it load faster for your visitors. WP Rocket offers features like caching, image optimization, and minification. By using this plugin, you can keep your visitors happy and coming back for more. Unfortunately, it's not free, but it is definitely worth it. It has a very simple and easy-to-use interface. You can turn on caching for different devices, set up a timer to automatically clear old cache, optimize CSS and JavaScript files. One of the best features is web page preloading. It gives you the option to clear database, and you can integrate it with Cloudflare CDN for more security and responsiveness. If you want to get more creative with your website design, you should consider using a page builder plugin like Elementor. These plugins allow you to drag and drop elements to create beautiful and custom layouts for your pages. Elementor's core strength is its visual editor. You can see the changes you make to your website in real time, making the design process intuitive and efficient. It has a drag and drop functionality. This core functionality makes it easy to add, remove, and arrange elements on your web pages. One cool feature of Elementor is global control. It allows you to set up global styles and layouts for your entire website, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Elementor comes with a library of pre-designed templates and widgets that you can use as a starting point for your website or customize to fit your needs. In addition to all that, this plugin ensures your website looks good on all devices, from desktops to tablets and smartphones. Finally, let's make sure your visitors have a way to reach you. There are plenty of good plugins that allows you to create contact forms for your website. For example, you can use WP Forms. You can easily add forms to your website so that people can send you messages, ask questions, or subscribe to your newsletter. It's a great way to stay connected with your audience. My advice is, use the plugin that works well with your theme. To get started, go to Plugins, add New Plugin, search for WP Forms, install, then activate it, refresh the page, and you will be greeted by the setup wizard. Create your first form in just a few minutes. We'll use the simple pre-made contact form. As you can see, it has all the items we need to make any type of form. You can change the name, customize the confirmation message, and even send emails. Save it, and let's see how it looks. So there you have it, folks. These are just 5 of the many essential plugins that can take your WordPress website to the next level. Remember to do your research and choose plugins that fit the specific needs of your website. Happy building, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm your host, Daniel, and I see you in the next one.